just one. I think there's tons of advantages. The first of those is, again, is going back to this idea of gleaning knowledge from another man's or woman's experience is a huge factor. But when you think about the traditional school model, right? What is the traditional school model asking us to do? We go into a room, we take notes, we raise our hand and hope that our question gets answered, right? We're trying to distinguish ourselves from the pack, and it's weird because we're trying to do it to a person that's not even working in the industry. This person is a teacher that maybe has had some experience in the industry, but the truth is if they were successful in their endeavors to work in that. I'm not knocking teachers in any capacity, but if they were being successful as an engineer, as a producer, they wouldn't be teaching, right? They would be working in the industry. So, what Recording Connection does is it gives you access to that person that would not be in a classroom because they're making money in this industry. So, the idea that you're not in a classroom, that you're one-on-one with that individual, that you have the ability to ask your own questions, direct the course of your own education, because the truth is there's a lot of stuff that, people come into this program with varying degrees of knowledge, and the one-on-one aspect allows that person to tailor fit the educational experience to fit their needs. There's certain things that I'm going to be able to explain to a student that they're going to get at once. Right? And they're going to want to move on to different things. And that wouldn't happen in a classroom environment. We wouldn't be able to go to other things until, the lowest common denominator, so to speak, understood that concept. Whereas a one-on-one experience, you can breeze through that concept, move on to things that are interested, and then even, maybe there's questions that aren't related to a specific curriculum. Right? Maybe there's things that they came up with, or, they were working on a project at home, or, they listened to a song and they had questions about how a song was produced. I mean, we go off on tangents here, and those tangents can go down the rabbit hole. And then look, where are we doing those tangents? We're doing these tangents in a place where, okay, if you don't understand the concepts that I'm telling you right away, okay, well then I can do hands-on things to explain that concept. I can, pull up videos if that's how you learn. We can go to the books that I have on the shelves and we can pull down information that way if that's the way you learn. We can tailor fit the education experience to fit the student, and their needs.